Okay then, so let's talk about nor. We had or, let's talk about n, or. N, or, nor. So, we use it when two or more things are not true or did not happen. It's not true, nor did it happen. So you could say, I will not go. I will not go. Nor will you. Nor will you. I will not go to London. Nor will you. I will not go to anywhere really. I will not go around the corner. I will not go up the mountain. Nor will you. Did not happen or will not happen. I will not go. You did not go. I did not go to England, nor did you. I did not go to France last year, nor did you. I didn't go to Spain last year, nor did you. Did not happen. I will not go. I am not going. I did not go to Spain last year, nor did you. Nor will you, nor did you, nor did you. I will not go, nor did you, nor will you. I am not going, nor will you. I did not go, nor did you. Did not happen. And not true. You've not been to Morocco. You haven't been to Morocco? Oh, nor have I. Nor have I. I've not been there. You've not been there. You've not been learning Spanish? Oh. Well, nor have I. You've not been learning Chinese? Nor have I. Huh, not true. It's not true. You haven't been to Scotland? Oh, nor have I. What a coincidence. You haven't been? I haven't been. Can you speak Chinese? Oh, nor can I. I can't. You can't. I can't. Nor can I. Yeah, very good. We could also say neither. Neither. You can't. I can't. I can't go. I can't speak Chinese. Neither can you. You can't speak Chinese. Neither can I. I've not been to Morocco. Neither have you. You've not been to Norway. Neither have I. Neither. Pretty nice. Neither. N-E-I-T-H-E-R. Neither. We could say neither. Neither. Neither have I. I will not go. I will not go. Neither will you. I will not go, nor will you go. Makes sense. I will not go up the mountain. Neither will you. I will not go up the mountain. Nor will you. I will not cross the river. Nor will you. I will not cross the river. Neither will you. How cool is that? Let's keep going.